What is house hacking? Car talk. Let's get to it. Hey, yo, listen. House hacking is a great way to not only pay down debt, to save money. This is something great to position yourself no matter the age. Now, yes, if you are younger, I strongly recommend you doing this while you're young. Meaning, yo, you go buy a property, right? You go buy a property. Let's say you get a starter home, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. You're by yourself. Rent out those other 2 bedrooms. Now, the rent from those other 2 bedrooms should have you coming out a minimum out of your pocket to pay the mortgage or cover the mortgage. All right? So let's hop into numbers on this joint real fast, right? So hopping into numbers, right? Let's say that you get a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. The mortgage is $1,500, okay? $1,500. Now, depending on where you at, you check to see how much bedrooms rent for. Let's say that in your city, you can rent out a bedroom for $600 a piece, right? $600 a piece. All right, so now you at what? All right, 12, you getting $1,200 from the other 2 bedrooms. So now you coming out of pocket $300, right? Some people split the utilities, some people cover the utilities. You cover the utilities, you might want to charge more than $600. Just depend on what your market allow. But let's just say, for the sake of this, the mortgage $1,500, you getting $1,200, you paying $300 a month. So that other $1,200 you saving, you should be paying yourself. At the end of the year, all right? At the end of the year, you should have damn near $15K, all right? Between what is that, 14 to 15K that you should have put up, all right? 1,200 times 12, all right? So you should have a nice amount saved up after 1 year, sacrificing 1 year. Now, what can you do with that 15K? You can invest the 15K. All right, this is how you get ahead, by making sacrifices. I know everybody online is rich. They got disposable income and all that. Because we live in an era whereas all I got to do is take a picture in front of the car. All I got to do is rent the car and shoot an ad and tell you, hey, buy my course. We live in that era, right, where people think that's success, right? And I'm telling you from a 43-year-old man, bro, like, listen, as long as you handling business, guys out here, they're going to want to be your friend. These girls, they're going to want to be your girlfriend, your wives, whatever you want. They will still desire that. Is it real? Hell no. It's faker than a $3 bill. But I'm telling you, as long as you handling business, right, they going to be there. So don't think you missing something by sacrificing this 1 year. Now, let's say you do it for 2 years. Now you got damn near 30 put up. All right? Now, you could invest in another property. You could invest in something else you always wanted to do, but you do need to have the discipline. Now, let's say that you don't do it. Well, if you don't do it, your 2 years going to look exactly how it looked now. Still struggling, still with the same problems and everything. Now, let's get into another example. Let's say you got a 4-bedroom, right? Your 4-bedroom, your mortgage is $1,800 in the 4-bedroom. You got a 4, 2.5, $1,800. All right? Now, this is a nicer side of town, all right? So let's say that it's $1,800, right? And you like, yo, listen, I want $800 a bedroom, and that's everything, right? So listen, $800. So 8 times 3 is 24, right? Your mortgage is $1,800. You see where I'm going with this? Now, what can you do? That excess, you can pay your utilities and save 100% of your money, bruh, and put yourself in position. All right? Listen, if you do, once you, like, I'm gonna tell you like this, once you get to 30, all right, you're gonna see who was handling business in their 20s. All right? Once you get to 40s, you're gonna see who is taking care of themselves in their 30s. And that's not just financially. All right? That's health, that's spiritual, that's everything. Okay? So make this sacrifice. I will go on, you know what I mean? But what you're gonna realize after 40, man, if you a fool at 40, you probably a fool for life. You know what I'm saying? Very few people go to law school, get their life together in their 40s and 50s. It happens, but they are the rarity. That's not everybody, okay? So I'm just letting you know, all right? That's not everybody. So with this house hacking thing, bro, this can really put you in a good situation, no matter the age. I know somebody that bought their first house at like 50, right? They bought their first house at 50. Okay? They got 3 bedrooms. Okay? They got a master. They rent out the other one for $700 a month, which helps them out tremendously. They just do 1 bedroom. All right? And they're making sacrifices at 50 to help themselves out. Come on, man. You could do this at 20. So you do this in your 20s, your 30s look good. You do this in your 30s, your 40s look good. You know, if you're in that situation. Now, of course, this is case by case basis because you like, yo, like I know a dude that was doing it, right? He bought when Charlotte was cheap, right? His mortgage only like $700-800, right? So whatever he charged for the bedroom, he said, yo, I do women only. Because he says, me, my daughter, and I rent out the other bedroom. Whatever he charged for the bedroom covers the mortgage. It covers the whole mortgage, all right? So he's able to make moves and do things that he wants to do, all right? So this is all I'm saying, man. Just make that sacrifice today for a better tomorrow. If you don't do anything today, this is how your life going to look next year. Hey, listen, I'm Nasser, a.k.a. the real estate guru. I'm not a guru, I'm a doer because I actually do this business. Peace.